How to use the English adverb again in Tagalog. Again has three equivalent words in Filipino: uli, ulit, and muli. Uli and ulit are commonly used because muli is a bit formal. Muli can be placed at the beginning, middle, and end of a sentence, while uli and ulit are only placed in the middle and end. You should never start your sentence with uli or ulit. Gusto kitang makita uli. Since uli and ulit are the same, you can use either of them to form Tagalog sentences. Gusto kitang makita uli, or gusto kitang makita ulit. I want to see you again. I want to see you again. Tatawag ako ulit pagkalipas ng isang oras. Tatawag ako ulit pagkalipas ng isang oras. I'll call again in an hour, or I'll call back after an hour. Salamat po, balik po kayo ulit. Salamat po, balik po kayo uli. Thank you, please come again. Thank you, please come again. Pasensya na, ano na nga uli ang pangalan mo? Pasensya na, ano na nga ulit ang pangalan mo? Sorry, what was your name again? Sorry, what was your name again? Pupunta uli kami ng mga kaibigan ko sa Siargao. Pupunta ulit kami ng mga kaibigan ko sa Siargao. My friends and I are going to Siargao again. My friends and I are going to Siargao again. Panoorin natin ulit ang The Witcher. Or, panoorin natin uli ang The Witcher. Let's watch The Witcher again. Let's watch The Witcher again. Gusto ko ang kantang yan. Patugtugin mo ulit. Gusto ko ang kantang yan. Patugtugin mo ulit. I love that song. Play it again. I love that song. Play it again. Ano nga ulit yon? Ano nga ulit yon? What's that again? What's that again? Patingin nga uli. Patingin nga uli. Meaning, may I see it again? Or, can you show me again? Uso na ulit ang mahahabang palda. Uso na ulit ang mahahabang palda. Long skirts have come into fashion again. Long skirts have come into fashion again. Iboboto mo ba uli si Trump? Iboboto mo ba uli si Trump? Are you going to vote for Trump again? Are you going to vote for Trump again? Subukan mo uli. Subukan mo uli. Try again or try it again. Bumalik na uli sa normal ang mga bagay-bagay. Bumalik na uli sa normal ang mga bagay-bagay. Things are back to normal again. Things are back to normal again. Magkaibigan na ulit sila. Magkaibigan na ulit sila. They are friends again. They are friends again. Pakispell ulit ang pangalan mo. Or the more polite form, pakispell po ulit ang pangalan mo. Pakispell po ulit ang pangalan mo. Please spell out your name again. Please spell out your name again. Bukas na ulit ang mga kainan. Bukas na ulit ang mga kainan. Restaurants are open again. Restaurants are open again. Magsimula tayo ulit mula sa umpisa. Magsimula tayo ulit mula sa umpisa. Let's start again from the beginning. Let's start again from the beginning. Huwag mong hayaang mangyari ulit yon. Huwag mong hayaang mangyari ulit yon. Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again. Nanalo siya uli. Nanalo siya ulit. She won again. She won again. Nakita ko siya uli. Nakita ko siya ulit. I saw him again. I saw him again. Ayaw na kitang makita uli. Ayaw na kitang makita uli. I don't want to see you again. I don't want to see you again. Basahin mo uli. Basahin mo uli. Read it again. Read it again. Tanungin mo siya uli. Tanungin mo siya uli. Ask her again. Ask her again. Ipaliwanag mo nga uli. Ipaliwanag mo nga uli. Explain it again. Explain it again. Huwag mo na lang pansinin kapag tumunog ulit ang telepono. Huwag mo na lang pansinin kapag tumunog ulit ang telepono. If the phone rings again, just ignore it. If the phone rings again, just ignore it. Payapa na uli ang lungsod pagkatapos ng kaguluhan kahapon. Payapa na uli ang lungsod pagkatapos ng kaguluhan kahapon. The city is calm again after yesterday's riot. The city is calm again after yesterday's riot. Hugasan mo ulit. Hugasan mo ulit. Wash it again. Wash it again. Linisin mo ulit. Linisin mo ulit. Clean it again. Clean it again. Ano nga ulit ang tawag doon? Ano nga ulit ang tawag doon? What's that called again? What's that called again? Matatanggal ka na sa trabaho kapag nahuli ka pa ulit. Matatanggal ka na sa trabaho kapag nahuli ka pa ulit. You're getting the boot if you're late again. You're getting the boot if you're late again. Kailangan nating mag-overtime ulit. Kailangan nating mag-overtime ulit. We have to work overtime again. We have to work overtime again. Muli akong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng tumulong sa akin. Muli akong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng tumulong sa akin. Once again, I'm grateful to those who helped me. Once again, I'm grateful to those who helped me. Oh, here's a catchphrase that we used to hear a lot. Muli nating gawing kahanga-hanga ang Amerika. Muli nating gawing kahanga-hanga ang Amerika. Let's make America great again. Let's make America great again. Pwede mong panoorin uli ang videong ito kahit anong oras. Pwede mong panoorin uli ang videong ito kahit anong oras. You can watch this video again at any time. You can watch this video again at any time. Salamat uli. Salamat uli. Thanks again. Thanks again. Hanggang sa muli. Hanggang sa muli. Until we meet again. Until we meet again.